I'm gonna pass.
I don't fucking believe this. Why?
Every guy who ran that crew died prematurely.
Oh, come on.
I beat cancer once. You got no idea what that does to you.
Yeah, I know, but Jesus, you got
Richie April, Ralphie M.I.A., Vito, and who knows what the fuck with Carlo and Gigi.
Gigi died taking a shit.
Doesn't mean it's not part of an overall pattern.
Guys, I'm so trapped. I have no umbrella.